Hello friends, Nalinakshi Swami here. In my last video, I discussed about the ATR, which is the first component of the super trend. So now I'm going to discuss about the super trend as such. And it is my favorite indicator, which will help you in many ways. Actually, super trend is calculated in this way. Suppose if it is a red super trend, suppose it plots the cell signal as well as the resistance also. Red signal, we are calculating the high plus low divided by 2, and it is added with the ATR multiplied by multiplier. Here multiplier, we are using 3 as a multiplier. It is multiplied with the ATR. Now I'm not showing the ATR. It is multiplied average true range. So it gives you the super trend value. Suppose if it starts descending, actually, if it starts descending, it indicates the value, the price is going to go low. And super trend green, which is the green which is plotted at the bottom of the price level, which indicates the buy signal, is calculated by the last candle of the high plus low divided by 2 minus ATR multiplied by multiplier. Here in this case multiplier is 3, so it gives the value. Super trend is a very good indicator. It will tell you when it starts flattening out, it will tell you when the price is going up, here it started flattening out. Even though price started coming down, the super trend value will be flattened here. That means the price is going to fall into a range. And also here in this area, it has already plotted a red candle in between. So the price will move in between these two levels. So this is the range between the upper red super trend and the green super trend. When it flattens out, you can make out. Sometimes there will not be plotting of the red super trend. Sell signal will not be generated. Sell signal will not be generated in any market. Here you can see sell signal has been generated at the top. So price falls into the range and super trend goes into it. Only when the price breaks this level, breaks this super trend, actually this acts as a, see, you can see the flattening out of the red super trend as well as this is the flip zone. This will be the flip zone. This will act as a, when price comes down, it will act as a resistance and price has started going down. Here also, when price was coming down, it flattened out. Red super trend, it flattened out and indicating that price fall is going to stop. And here in the immediately you can see it is flattening out here, super trend, and here at the bottom you can see green plotting on the green at the when the price starts moving down, green is started. So there is a buy as well as a sell signal. So this is the range. It indicates price is in the range. When price starts to break above this range, super trend starts moving higher. You can see the super trend going higher. When it starts flattening out, that is a signal it is going to halt. See, after moving here up here, price started moving up here, and this super trend started flattening out. Then you can see the correction in it became expensive. It started correcting in this, and price started moving down. So this area, little bit of distribution you are seeing. After distribution, when it touched this level, this is the flip level. You can see the price gapped and moved up. This area, it touched it, higher low, and that trend continued. You can see after moving this much high, you can see the red plotting. Price, even though price is moving in a small compression way, it is indicating there is a supply ahead. You will get cautioned, and if you have to see the price action, see the resistance over here. This is the flip zone, and it has started flattening out. This is a super trend, can be used in many ways actually. It signals halt in the market when it starts flattening out, and if the market is going to fall into a range, then you can trade accordingly. And even with the price action, this will help you. And another thing is, it also helped you to anticipate when price is falling down, where it can fall. Let me go to another stock, trend. See, here price started moving up. In this area, price went flat. Went flat, and there is a resistance plotted over here. This was the range actually. And then price started moving up, and even the super trend started going up. See, you can see higher, the super trend value is higher. Today, there was a movement down. When you see this acted, you can see the flip zone, and this is the area of, this will act as a support. These areas, flat zones, will act as a support. Flat areas will act as a support, and these areas are trends. That's why price halted over here, pin bar, and it has closed about this. So so you can anticipate where the price can move, and you can anticipate where it can go. So even if in the intraday also, see, when started falling down, this is the flip zone. Red area had become flat, and also this green area and also red area, it started after this has fallen, price has fallen this much, super trend started moving sideways. When it starts moving sideways, it indicates that price is not going to fall further, because there is two components in this: average true range as well as the last candles high and low. Okay, in this way you can find out the flip zones also, and also you can find out the support and resistance. Let me go to another example. Let me take the TCS, which was in uptrend. 5 minutes chart or 15 minutes, I'll take 15 minutes. See, today was a down day. Here on the previous day, there was a trend. So today on the first candle, it made an high, and it came down, and it started going up. So it has never plotted any red this one, super trend over here. Sell signal hasn't come. But here in this area, price started moving down, and when price started moving up in this area, today's price action, the super trend has gone up. Super trend has started moving up. When super trend started moving up, And in this candle, at this candle, the super trend started flattening out. When it started flattening out, price started correcting to this super trend value and then it bounced off. So in this way, it acted as a support. Super trend acted as a support. 3326, you can get the supports and resistance. So if you go to smaller time frame, 1 minute, 1 minute time frame, see super trend, price started from here. Super trend was moving. Super trend, it is showing a red super trend. It is started plotting red, but it has been flattened. Then price flopped up, made an higher high and failed, and the red this one. So you can take sell, it gave a sell signal in the smaller time frame. You could have gone short in this, and you have to anticipate where you will anticipate for the target. So then you have to go to 15 minutes time frame. Then you will get a super trend here over here. So you can anticipate when you start selling at this. Suppose if you have sold at this place, reversal or retracement 3359, you can anticipate price to bounce off from this area. 3359 to 3327. So around 20 points you can get if you sold off here. In this way, you can anticipate the support in advance. You can make out the support and all those things. Targets you can make out, and you can cover your shorts also. Okay, it is a trend indicator. Super trend is a trend indicator. So you should know how to use it. If you know how to use it, then it will have a lot of meaning and it will help you in a better way to trade. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off here.